We're going to be accidental cookbook authors, I think. Because of the community that we have grown around our half beef customers, everyone comes to us with, oh, I found this recipe and it's great for the stew meat. I found this recipe and it's great for the thicker steaks. Storm found the reverse sear method for steaks, where you slow roast in the oven at a low temp and then sear at the end, and it's the only way we like our beef now, our steaks. So we're in the midst of actually crowdsourcing from our customers a recipe database for everybody for the specific cuts in our beef. There's some things in there that not everyone's grown up with that may be unfamiliar. One of our employees' husbands is actually one of our biggest sources of recipes because he's an experimental cook and has been really successful. So it's a nice way to reconnect with our community, share those resources, and then really get dialed in on your product and get the most bang for your buck on what is, we recognize, a real investment to get 250 pounds of meat in your freezer. We want you to have the best experience possible. You can send that to us, probably DM us on our Instagram would be a great choice. You can email us at Elite Beef. My email directly will come. It's efield@elitebeef.com. You can shoot us an email at shop@elitebeef.com. That's always monitored. We would love to give you credit for it if you want. If you want to be anonymous, we'll respect that too. My favorite way to share recipes is for you to come to our beef party in person and share those and talk to other people and share your links, bring it printed, do whatever you'd like. We really have enjoyed the surprise benefit of the community that has formed around like-minded people that enjoy this sort of product.